I've noticed a trend with young women that I think needs to stop now. I'm a lease therapist in private practice in New York for a million years, coach for women around the world. I have noticed a lot of women trying to explain something and then ending their sentence with, if that makes sense. Every day, maybe every day I hear it. If not every day, multiple times a week I hear it. I don't know where this came from. Maybe this is a social media thing, but I think it undermines women. It's almost like up-talking, like putting question marks at the end of your sentence, like, I finished my term paper. I think I did well. I'd like to see women having a little more conviction in not just their speech, but in the way they think. And when you explain something, maybe you want to have faith that you have done an adequate job at explaining it and that the person you're talking to has gotten what you're saying. Because when you say, if that makes sense, it almost makes it sound like you're confused or you can't articulate what it is you're trying to say. And I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that anytime someone has said, if that makes sense, I was never confused or about what they were talking about. It always made sense. So it almost has become a thing, like the word like, where we insert the word like unnecessarily in sentences. So if you are a girl, a woman, start to be aware. Do you do that? Do you say, if that makes sense? Why wouldn't it make sense? Are you talking in riddles? Have you said something off the wall that someone would be like, what? What the fuck was that? If not, maybe drop that line. And if you talk with question marks at the end of statements, look at that too. You don't need to be asking questions. You want to speak with some degree of authority and like confidence, like, I know what I'm saying. I don't have to ask if this makes sense. I don't have to put a question mark at the end of my sentence. I'm a strong, confident, intelligent woman, right? Because you are, right? Yeah, you are. Sign up for the newsletter. Link's in my bio.